I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin inside Pubg with your profile open. Tap the top left avatar to access account and profile settings. This starts the rename flow. Make sure your account is linked to a platform like Facebook or Steam so changes stick across devices. Once done, locate the connection name field under Profile. You're doing this now because Pubg enforces unique social labels, and starting here avoids wasted steps later. You tap Edit and type the new connection name. Pubg checks availability immediately. If the name is taken, append a small number or simple symbol to keep it recognizable. This resolves collisions. Make sure you follow the 216-character rule and avoid prohibited words to prevent rejection. Once typed, preview how it appears in chats and friend lists. Also, adjust privacy so it shows to friends only if you prefer. This helps control visibility. You press Save to commit the new name. Pubg will either confirm success or return an error. If successful, you'll see the updated label across lobby, friend lists, and chat. If it doesn't appear, log out and log back in or restart the game to force a server sync. Should you hit a block, like name flagged or limit reached, contact Pubg support with your account ID and screenshots. They can clear cache issues or advise on appeals. This fixes most final step problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.